Alright, so in this video, I have an interesting system of equations. So for my first equation, I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 9. And for my second equation, I have x times y is equal to 20. So I want to find the value of x plus y using these two equations. And I'm going to label this equation 1 and this equation 2. So to do that, I'm going to first square equation 1. So I have x squared minus y squared is equal to 9 squared. And now this is the same thing as x squared plus y squared minus 2x squared y squared. And this is equal to 81, which is 9 squared. And now x squared is x to the power 4, and y squared is y to the power 4. So I get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times xy squared is equal to 81. Now, we are already given that x times y is equal to 20. So I can just plug this value in over here, and I get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2 times 20 squared is equal to 81, meaning x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 is equal to 881. And I'm going to label this equation number 3. So now, I have x squared plus y squared is equal to, we know this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2x squared y squared. We already know this because this is an algebraic property. So again, if we know that this is equal to 881 plus 800, because x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 we know is equal to 881. So 2x squared y squared is going to be 800 because this is 20. So 2 times 20 squared, which is 800. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 1681. And now I can take the square root of this on both sides. So I get x squared plus y squared is equal to positive or negative 41. So this is going to be equation number 4. Now, we know that if we have something in the form x plus y squared, this is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So remember, x squared plus y squared, as we see here, is equal to positive or negative 41. So I get x plus y squared is equal to positive or negative 41 plus 2 times x times y, which we know is 20. So I get x plus y squared is equal to 40 plus or minus 41. So now this gives me two equations. I get x plus y squared is equal to 40 plus 41, which is 81, and x plus y squared is equal to 40 minus 41, which is negative 1. So let's first take the square root for our left-hand side, and I get x plus y is equal to positive or negative 9. So these are two solutions for, remember, we're solving for the value of x plus y. And now for here, for x plus y squared is equal to negative 1, this is equal to I. I take the square root, I get x plus y is equal to I, because I is the square root of negative 1. So these are my three solutions.